Hi everybody, good evening. It will be really nice if I think यहाँ पे majority लोग musician हैं. Most of them are, most of the people over here are musicians. And one thing is very important that we all need to understand is that music को silence नहीं मिले तो फिर music और शोर में कोई फर्क नहीं होता. So we need that silence. Can I request everyone to please be quiet? And before I get to my keyboard, I would like to compliment, I think, one of the finest composers of our time and the pride of our nation today, who's given us one of the most amazing title tracks ever, Jeet Ganguly. And I'm really privileged to take it further from there. And a lot of friends in the audience. So my song Hamnawa, I'd like to share a little bit about it. Mohit and me spend a lot of time talking about the song before किसी गाने पे आने से पहले, before getting the melody. और I think in the words of Mohit Suri, Hamnawa is the song of Blossom. And I think let's hear it.
Put your hands together for Mohit Suri and Vidya Balan. It's only something that is scaring me right now. But thank you so much for making it here. And thank you so much for attending your own music launch. What and where is Imran Hashmi?
Well, he missed the Air India flight also.
What?
He missed the Air India flight.
Hey, you got me my joke. Vidya, thank you so much for that. I want to put forward the first question to you. आप एक इतनी intense actor हैं, आपने इतनी बेहतरीन films की हैं, and then आपका जो ट्रेलर में जो इमोशन निकल के आ रहा है, it's almost as if the music is elevating every emotion. So what did you love most about the music when Mohit told you that ये सारे गाने आपकी फिल्म में आने वाले हैं?
Firstly, hi everyone. It's wonderful to see a full house. I think, you know, with this music of Hamari Adhuri Kahani is tells the story of the film. I don't know how else to say it, and it all comes from the heart. When I heard Hamari Adhuri Kahani, the title track, I fell in love. I felt like this was a crutch I was going to hold on to help me perform the film. And every time I needed to get into the zone, it was Mohit's idea. He said, you just listen to this song. I guess every one of us has an Adhuri Kahani in our lives. So that's why you connect with the song, and that's why we're hoping you connect with the film.
So that's just the first song. Mohit made you listen to Hamari Adhuri Kahani. Then he's like, okay, we've come out with a second song. Then he makes you listen to Hamnawa. What is the emotion then? It just keeps getting better.
When I heard Hamnawa, I actually saw Imran Hashmi perform it, and I understood why girls fall in love with Imran Hashmi. He gets the best songs. No, I'm not taking away any credit from him, but it's a beautiful song. And yeah, it comes at a very beautiful place in the film. It's a turning point in the film. I think when you watch the film, of course, you'll know. But Hamnawa is an extremely... can you help me, Mohit? What is the word I'm looking for?
The only way to describe it, it's as not put as everything is, even though it's a song about falling in love, it's not, it doesn't just talk about that kind of romance which happens when you fall in love at first sight, but it's felt more, and you know it's going to live a lifetime and it's going to live forever. And that, I think that's the genius of what all my music directors have done in this film. For me, I worked in another direction with this film. I first went and spoke about the film and spent time with them, and as I kept shooting, each song kept coming by, and I would say they have co-directed this film for me. So thank you, all my music directors. Thank you very much.
Okay, wow. There's one question. These hands are the ones who chose certain films. certain directors.
I put my hand down.
Yeah, you can keep your hand down. Zahar, वो लम्हे, आशिकी, एक villain, आवारापन. Dude, how do you manage to choose such music?
You know,
Murder!
I just told him this as soon as I came up that I get scared whenever I see him because he keeps asking the same question to me and putting me this.
Because
And I keep telling him.
Mohit, you're paying yourself a compliment.
Yes,
I hope you realize that.
No, I get scared of answering this question because I don't have an answer for it usually.
he keeps like flying around the question but never answers
Yeah,
it.
I don't have an answer for it. So today I openly admit this. I don't have an answer to this question. Suren, you're never going to get an answer to this question.
This is the last time I'm asking you this.
I can only credit my music directors, my lyricists, and my singers, the stars of my life. I would be nowhere if it wasn't for all these people. I'm standing here today. So thank you all so much for getting me here today.
Absolutely, I believe you. But it happens to be the official audio music launch, and Sony Music would like to commemorate us, not me alone, but Radio Mirchi. So, can I have our CEO and MD, Mr. Prashant Pandey, Vidya? If you could.
Here I am again.
Mohit, Vidya, I would request your presence to give away the first set of awards. Now these are the golden discs. So I do the top 20, the Mirchi top 20, and when a song ends up staying in the top 5 for a minimum of 50 days, which is quite a lot with the kind of music that we keep getting now, it's fabulous. So we give the golden disc. So I'm going to call on the people who made the first song possible, क्योंकि दुनिया में एक टाइप के छोकरे होते हैं एंड इनको बड़ी डांट मिलती है, इनको पुलिस का डंडा मिलता है, इनको ठरकी छोकरे कहते हैं, लेकिन इनको अवार्ड कभी नहीं मिलता है. एंड टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू चेंज दैट. सो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, आवर फर्स्ट रेसिपिएंट ऑफ द गोल्डन डिस्क, द टीम बिहाइंड ठरकी छोकरो फ्रॉम पीके, स्वरूप खान. स्वरूप खान साहब आइए आइए आइए.
ओके आप सबके सामने जल्दी से ठरकी छोकरो. हो आयो रे भाया रंगीलो मेहमान. अरे छोरा छोरी फर्क न समझे मारे सब छलांग. मरवाएगा तू ठरकी, पिटवाएगा तू ठरकी. अरे मत कर मत कर मत कर मत कर. अरे ठरकी छोकरो आयो रे बन के मारो मेहमान. क्या बात है. अरे ठरकी छोकरो आयो रे बन के मारो मेहमान. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू रेडियो मिर्ची, आपको बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया ये अवार्ड के लिए. स्पेशली थैंक्स करना चाहूंगा राजू हिरानी जी को जिन्होंने ये गाना दिया. अजय तुल जी को थैंक्स जिन्होंने राजू हिरानी जी की हाँ में हाँ मिलाया और और इतना अच्छा गाना बनाया. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू रेडियो मिर्ची. थैंक यू. सोनन किरके जी के लिए जोरदार तालियां. उन्होंने लिखा है और बहुत अच्छा लिखा है. थैंक यू.
Alright, that's the first golden disc that has gone out. भाई अब जो दूसरा golden disc है वो एक ऐसा गाना है जिसने नचाया नहीं, उतना नहीं नचाया, रुलाया बहुत, इमोट करवाया एंड 49 डेज के ऊपर रहा ऑन द नंबर 1 पोजीशन. एंड इस सॉन्ग को अगर अवार्ड ना मिले सो आई विल बिकम एक विलन. एंड द फर्स्ट टाइम आई रेड द नेम ऑफ द सॉन्ग आई डिडंट थिंक इट वाज गलिया, आई थॉट इट वाज गालिया. मुझे पढ़ रही है तेरी गालियां. हाँ Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Ankit Tiwari, Manoj Muntashir for producing a fabulous song called Teri Galiyan.